popsicle, and this drink, and this pizza. Sure, that will be $2. $2? Okay. You can have a tip. Okay. Wait, let me find $2 here. No, I don't have $2. I have 50, 100, 1,000. I'll just use my credit card. Sure. Swipe. Swipe. Okay, here you go. Yeah. Yay! Now we got food. So we need to scan it first. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Here's a. By the way, here's a tip. Oh, thank you. And here's the change. Thank you. That's a cent. Cent, but it's a change. Next customer. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Your customer. What do you want? What do you like to buy? The phone. You want to buy the phone? And this too. Okay. That will be.
This thing.
You want to take the money?
And then I want to buy a pepperoni.
This is your money. That's a tomato. So
That's pepperoni!
So all of that is. How much? Pay the money flew away. Okay, that will be $25. That will
I don't
be.
have $25.
This is 25. 25 you're holding. So wash. Here you go.
Here's $5.
Here's the change. Here's the change.
I got extra money.
Next customer.
Why is there a mini card right here?
Hello, what do you want, sir? Can I have this and this and also this pineapple? Okay.
Credit card.
So-
There's your credit card.
There's your credit card. Get your credit card back. So that will be $10. Use your card for it. Is this $10? No, that's a credit. That's a 20. Then use your credit card. Okay.
Bless you.
Alison, why are you taking my toes? Okay, I am now the cashier. Now the cashier, okay? I'm now the cashier.
Moments later.
Bye-bye. Okay, guys, you have the money. Okay? Here's your money. And why is there no money fly away? Okay. Welcome to the shop. I'm the cashier. Customer.
No, you're not the cashier.
Customer. Hello, can I buy something? Yes. What do you want to buy? Can I have the pizza? Okay. And I want a popsicle. Yes. How much will that be? That will be $100. The 100 here. Thank you. Where's my change? Hey, that was the exact amount. You don't need to change. Oh.
What, 500?
Yeah.
What, 500?
Oh, thanks. Give me the 500.
Here's the 500.
Hey, this is 25. Customer. Wait, I didn't scan. I did not scan. Bro, I didn't scan. Okay. Thank you very much. Oh. Don't get it. Well, maybe the other customer wants it. Pretend that you just bought it, but I didn't do that. Hey, that was my money. Who took my money? There, it flew away. taco. Okay, what do you want to buy?
All of them.
I need something.
I want all of them.
Kanina to hindi
Cora.
inubos yung Chucky. Chucky.
Chikey.
That will be 7,899 trillion zillion dollars.
There.
Swish, a swipe, a swish, a swipe, a swish, a swipe, tap, swipe, tap, swipe, tap, 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 tap. Beep, 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 you said you want to buy everything, so I'm beeping everything. Beep, 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 next customer. Okay. Say next customer.
I'll finish the taco.
Next customer! Me! Okay, you. He's next. He's next. Okay, what do you want to buy? Hey! What do you want to Tina? What do you want to buy? Can I buy this? No,
This
that the
phone?
credit cards are not for sale. Oh, do you want to buy a phone? Yeah. Okay. That will be $700,000. Okay.
Just for a phone?
Yeah. Here. Thank you. Okay. Swish, a tap. Oh, wish, a tap, a swish, a tap, a swish, a tap. There's a tap. Ayan. Swish, a tap, a swish, a tap, a swish, a tap, a swish, a tap, a swish, 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 swish. Okay. Okay, let me scan the phone. Let me scan the phone. Let me scan the phone. I'll scan the phone. I'll scan the phone. Not your hand. There. Okay. Okay, Allison is now the cashier. Allison is now the cashier. Allison is the cashier. Allison is the cashier. Allison is the Sorry. Oh gosh. Okay. Hello. May I buy something?
Yeah.
Can I buy this, this, and this too?
That would be $400.
And he's throwing away. But this is $40 here.
It's $40.
No, Xander. It's $40. Yay! It's 100. Give me a tip. Give me a change. Thank you.
Where's the change?
Oh no, my ass. Look at my. Look at this. Allison, where's the change?
Where is all the money?
Loser. Next.
I didn't scan
Hello.
it. I didn't even scan it.
Hello. Papa.
What would you want to buy? I want the whole thing. Thank you. That would be 1,000.
Okay, here you go. I'm a bear. You like
There's
5,000?
a new thing.
Ouch.
Here.
Ano, pie?
Take
Pie?
all of them.
Ano yan, pie?
Take
Pie.
all of them.
Pie?
Apple pie.
Apple pie?
Yeah.
Can
Take
I
all
buy?
of them.
Can I buy?
Take all of them.
Please, again. How much will that be?
No!
That was mine.
$10. 25, I mean.
Give me 25,
Here.
please.
My card.
Sinan, I want the pie, please. I want the pie. Mama, yeah.
I have so many sales.
Thank you.
Arya, why did you just mix the mushroom?
I'm a bear.
Thank you.
Oh, here's a lot of
Thanks.
pie.
Oh no, I don't know.
I ate a lot of pie.
Oh, more.
Something like that.
Xander, you're the cashier.
Pick it up.
Bruh. These are mine.
Hey, you did it.
Okay, add this phone
right here.
You're the cashier.
No, he's the customer. The video's over. Bye. No, the video is not over. Okay, can I have this comb?
You're the cashier.
Cashier?
You're not a customer.
Guys, can someone pick the food? Bruh, can I have this? And
Hey, where's my credit card? Oh, sorry.
Can you, okay.
It's fine. I want to steal your credit card. So bad.
Okay,
Here.
can I have that? And then can I have this and this? Can I have this and this? And that dog poop right
What
over
would
there?
this be, Arya? Dog poop. Arya, what would this be?
Okay, I will wait, I'm just kidding, I'm just kidding, I'm just kidding!
Oh.
And can I buy that pie?
You want a pizza?
What's that?
I don't know.
Can I have the pie?
Yeah.
Can I buy this?
There's no money.
How much will that be?
You're holding all the money.
How much will that be?
50. 25.
How much will that will be $50.
Dollars.
50 $500. I'll use my card.
Yeah.
Swipe the card. Swipe the card. Swipe. Swipe. Okay.
Give the card back. It's not your card.
Okay. Scan. Beep. No, you're not supposed to do like that. Okay. Beep.
It takes so long.
No, the scanner is right here. Not on the side. You didn't scan anything, bro. Why are you scanning? Why are you not scanning the credit? Why are you scanning the credit card?
She wants this. She wants this. He wants all the money in the credit card.
Okay, that's all. Thank you. I got a free iPhone. Okay, that's the end of the video.
Yeah.
Bye.